welcome back to my channel. So first and foremost, say hello to the new setup. This is where I'm going to be filming my videos now. I have a little backdrop going on here, so I hope that you guys enjoy. Before we get into today's video, please don't forget to join my YouTube family. I would really appreciate it if you do. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notifications. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. So let's get started with what's in my bag. So I'm going to start off with the pocket here on the outside. And when you just put your hand right in, I know this is gonna sound funny, but I live in Mexico, so the circumstances are not always what I would like them to be. So the first thing that you are going to see if you put your hand in that pocket is my pepper spray. I never leave home without my pepper spray. You just never know what could happen. So that is going to be in this pocket here. Then back here I just have my hand sanitizer with a little hair clip, because you never know when you might need a hair clip. And that is basically it. So now if you open the zipper here in the middle, this is what it looks like in the inside. So I am going to start off with these two pockets here. And now in the first pocket I just have like this little card holder, and I just really like traveling with this or going out with this because I just pop it open and I have like all of the cards that I need to have in here. If I want to only leave the house with a certain amount of money, I'll put it in here instead of my wallet. It's a weird system that I have money all over the place in my purse, but only I know where it is. So yeah, so I have that in that little pocket. And then the next thing I have are these little Ricolas. I can never leave the house without them. You never know when your throat might get a little dry. Like in my purse, you're going to see that I have a little what ifs or you never knows. So yeah, I have my Ricolas in here. And then again with the hair ties, you can never have enough. I have two hair ties. I have a little thin one and then I have a thicker one. So yeah, that is what I have in my first little pocket. So now moving on to the next pocket, we have chocolate, because who cannot have chocolate in their purse? Then I have these little easy wipes. I got this in my goodie box. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of that like subscription box, but they send out free boxes. They'll choose you to be the winner and they'll send you like this box full of goodies. So I got that a few months ago, and it came with like these easy wipes where you just have to add water, and they're cleansing towels. They're soft hygienic towels in seconds. So you never know if you're in an airport or you're at a restaurant and you gotta go. All you gotta do is add water to these and you got a wipey. And yeah, so then here you're probably gonna think I have an excessive amount of these, but we are chapstick lovers. So I have 3 chapsticks in here. I'm going to have to go through this and only have 2 because I really don't like the spearmint one, but I have a candy cane chapstick, and this is my all-time favorite. Like I have candy cane all year round because it's my favorite flavor. And then I have this Aloha coconut because this is John's favorite, and if you're a wife, you know how that goes. You always have to carry your husband's things in your purse. It's like a diaper bag. And then I have this classical spearmint, which I think I'm gonna throw out because it smells a little weird. And then last but not least, in this pocket I just have a USB drive. It's a 16 gigabytes. You just never know, and since I am a YouTuber, I never know when I'm going to have to pull out my USB and start, you know, downloading my things or doing what I gotta do with my YouTube stuff. But yeah, that's what I have in those 2 little pockets. And for the most part, I try and keep my purse as organized as possible. And this is actually the first size bag that I get this big. I just feel like as I keep getting older, I just need a bigger and bigger bag. So that is it with these 2 little pockets here. Now we're going to get into the main part of the purse. So again, you guys are gonna think I have a problem, but the first thing you're going to see are these sugar-free chocolates. I just love eating chocolate, and I like dark chocolate. I don't know why John got this semi-sweet sugar-free. He bought them, and I'm just not gonna let them go to waste, so I threw them in my bag for anything. Also, most of the stuff I have in here is easy for me when I travel. Like, I don't even have to put anything in my bag because this bag is just ready for me to travel with it. So anyway, so I have these chocolates, then I have my house keys, and then here in this like little mesh bag I have my coins. I have my pesos here. Then I have my wallet, and you guys know what goes in a wallet. Then I have like this little travel bag just so that my stuff doesn't get thrown in my purse because I don't want to stain it up. So in here I have some wipes, I have my headphones, and I have another one wipe Charles, but this is just for like if my hands are dirty and I need it. I have this wipey in here. Even though I have my hand sanitizer, you never know. I just like having those you never knows in my bag. Then the next thing that you will see is a battery pack. I cannot go anywhere without my battery pack, especially because I'm recording all of the time. I'm taking pictures for thumbnails. So this is essential for me. I always need to have this in here. Then the next thing I have is just my little coin bag. This is so cute. I actually got this on sale. It was 20 bucks at the Michael Kors outlet. And it's just so cute. I have a purse with this tone, minus the ski people on it, but yeah, I just have my little coins in here. And I'm actually going to switch it out since we just got back from the United States. I have American coins, but since I'm gonna be in Mexico for a good while, I'm gonna switch my pesos in here, and I'm gonna take the coins out and put it in here, and then eventually I'm just gonna take the American coins out because there's no need for me to be carrying that all around. Okay, and then the next thing I have in my bag is just my lipstick. This is my favorite color. I love these mauve colors. So the last and final thing in my bag you will find is a hand cream. I just got this as well, but I love the way this smells. In fact, I'm gonna put some on right now because my hands are always ashy. And yeah, guys, so that is not too much in my bag. I just have the pure essentials. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to join my YouTube family. Be on the lookout for those Vlogmas videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.